Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add echo in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. And in the top of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add echo in Bandlab. So adding echo to your audio in Bandlab is a great way to enhance your tracks. First, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. Then go to your library and open the project containing the audio you want to add echo to. Then, when you went to library, when you found your project, click on the audio region you want to apply the echo effects to. After that, tap on the effects tab at the bottom of the screen. Click on the add effect button and choose echo from the list of effects. Use the settings to adjust the mix, delay, feedback, and other parameters to get desired echo effects. Play your track to preview the echo effect and make any necessary adjustments. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.